how to verify your identity on FxPro. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up FxPro first of all, and then select this option of your user profile at the top right hand side corner. Over here you would find this option of settings. Simply select it, then select the option of documents, and right over here you would be able to find this option of identity verification, and it would ask you to upload your proof of identity in order to enable the withdrawals. Just simply click on upload, then click on continue. After that you would have to continue the verification process on your phone, and in case if you want to scan and continue, simply scan this QR code. If you want to use this particular link, simply copy and paste this link in your mobile browser, and then you would have to follow these steps, and after that you would be able to verify your account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.